Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm so excited to be guest designing for Pink & Main using their April 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. The theme is In the Garden, perfect for spring and summertime. I thought I'd share a quick unboxing of the kit. You'll receive the information card that has the fun image on one side and a list of the kit contents on the other. There are 2 sheets of 110-pound ice rink cardstock in white. All of the cardstock in the kit is 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's a lovely teal that's pre-embossed with little polka dots, a light yellow, there's a sunshine yellow, there's this nice garden green, and some of the cardstock has a linen texture on it. And last, there's this beautiful orange. There's also a full sheet of blue glitter cardstock, super sparkly. The kit includes a 24-sheet 6x6 paper pad. This is called Garden. All of the papers are double-sided and there are 2 of each design. There are a couple that have a specific design on them. There's some of the flowers and some leaves, but the rest are generic patterns that could be used for any card theme. So lots of polka dots, there's some chevron, there's stripes, there's a fun hand-drawn line, sort of a graph design. There's more of the plaids, some tiny polka dots, some gingham. I love the colors. These will work great for masculine or feminine cards. Some more little polka dots and plaids. And I love the last papers. This plaid paper is beautiful and it goes perfectly with that little polka dot paper and the flower paper at the end. Lots of great patterns and colors in this collection. Next up is the 6x6 stamp set. And this is a great stamp set if you don't like to color images. So it's all solids and you can stamp some of them together to create your image. There are also 3 sentiments: where flowers bloom, so does hope, live life in full bloom, and take time to smell the flowers. The kit also includes coordinating dies for all of the images. And there's also 1 sentiment die. There is always hope. It's hard to see in the video. Next up, there is a 6x6 inch embossing folder, and this is called Rose Garden. Beautiful roses, and this design matches nicely with some of the pattern paper with the little flowers on it. The kit also includes a 6x6 inch stencil. So let me put this against something a little bit darker so you can see the design. So there's that lovely image in the center, and there's also all the designs in the corners. So a lot of different options with this stencil. Up next we have the glitter enamel dots, beautiful colors that match the paper collection. I always enjoy adding these to my cards. They're so sparkly. There is a full roll of glitter tape in this beautiful green color. There's 4 feet and it's about 3/8 of an inch wide. Next, we have the exclusive sequin mix. So beautiful colors that match perfectly with the pattern paper. So you could use these for shakers or you could use them for embellishments on your cards. Every Pink & Main kit includes a collectible flare button. I received the little yellow potted plant. This matches one of the images on the stamp set. And I believe there are different buttons, so you may receive a different one than I did. There's also the 8.5 by 11 inch project bag. These are so nice and they're very sturdy. So that is everything that is included in Pink & Main's April 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. I do have a link provided in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this kit or any of their previous kits, since sometimes they have a few left over. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. And coming soon, I will be sharing the cards I make using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.